That's our bok choy plant. Check the bok choy grain here. Grain of the bok choy. Gisadong bok choy. So today guys, August 14, I harvest the leaves only of the bok choy and the zucchini, big zucchini. Yes. Yeah, today it's raining here in Quebec. So my bok choy, I did not remove all the plant. So I just removed the leaves. So that's I harvest our bok choy. And check the ampalaya new plant. Good morning guys. Today is August 16, 2021 and we will go harvest. Check our ampalaya, August 16, super daming bunga, too many fruits of ampalaya, better melon. It's ready but I'm not, I will harvest only one of this. That's big already. And check the gourd, the upo. They make flower since yesterday afternoon. And I will harvest also some eggplant. Yeah, check our what's this bok choy. They grow very fast, and the ampalaya here are very big because I put the compost here. Big leaves. That's that's upo. Ay, it's very, it grow very fast. The upo. And this is the flower of the upo. Gourd. The gourd. Yeah. The two upo is there. There's a butterfly sleeping here in the upo. Upo plant. And we still have some blueberry. Check our potatoes. Some make flowers. Yeah, potato flowers. We'll take some basil leaves. Yeah. So that's my harvest for today. Check our tomatoes. August 16. A lot's already. That's our tomato plant. And we'll take some cherry tomato. Think that's enough. Check that guys, our grapes. It's August 16 now, today, 2021. And yeah, they're almost ready. Next weekend, I'm gonna harvest this one. And check our yellow raspberry. They have a lots of flower again. Hello guys, my friends. Hello. Good morning, Victoria Bell. Oh, it's August today, 22 today. Look, the bugs attack. Hey, this bug is, hate this one. This is the one who eat that who attack our garden and our flower of roses also here. It's them. Check here. It's their favorite. Check a family. So here in this side, the flowers, and here's the garden here. And this eggplant, it's their favorite, and the bok choy, it's their favorite. Here I removed the plant broccoli because the bugs attack, but not this one. I think this is the one also. But and check, when it's larva, it's color white, this one. And lots of skunk here search for the larva of that. Like here, That's the hole of the skunk. It's a lot on that area near the rose. Check the hole of the skunk near the roses. And some days, some nights, skunk are passing by here in the garden and check for that larva of that bug. And now it's like 3 feet, not 3 feet, like my eggplant, 2.5 feet tall or 3 feet, almost like that. And this one plant, I just let 3 branch here, 1, 2, 3 branch. And since I'm away for 5 days, so look what happened. The flower, they fall, left only one. I don't know if this one will survive, if that. And I will remove the shoots here. Have to remove that, or else all the flower will fall. It will not success. Check this one here. This one get success, but here no, in that branch. It's like only one eggplant per the first flower is successful. Like here, check, one here from this and that, and here nothing, here nothing. Yeah, I did not water, we're out, we go in vacation. This one I will remove that, so that here this flower will get grow. Check, one, this one is successful. A big one here, I need to harvest this one so that these two will grow fast. Yeah, here, check this one, the beetles is there also attacking. More shoots to remove. Yeah. That's why it's mixed. The bell pepper is there, the bugs did not attack. And check our ampalaya, our better melon. More fruits again to harvest. This one's supposed to harvest, but I last Monday, but I let it ripe. I can keep more seeds. This one here is bigger, but I will harvest that one today. This, yeah, they are more taller now. And our upo, it's very jungle, huh? Very jungle. Lots of cucumber there, I need to remove. Okay, it's beautiful, but the bugs are attacking. Check that, bugs. Yeah, but it's okay, you have flowers in this area, so here it attracts the bugs, like they are separate from the garden, you know. Here are yellow raspberry, more fruits. Yeah, can harvest this one like around October or November. It's very cold already. Check our grapes here. The bird find it, so it's them who eat. We're away for 5-6 days. It's them. It's very ripe. Later I will remove that. It's us now can eat. Our zucchini plant, it's all done, finished. But maybe if this one will get success here, we can have more. The grapes is here. Beautiful. The bird did not see it. And our broccoli, it's not giving flower anymore. The bugs attack. So I will remove this one. A lot of things to do in the garden. And our cauliflower, they just start to make flower, but the bugs attack already. The peppermint, our grasses, I will clean this area. And I will harvest this tomato maybe not tomorrow. I don't have time. I'm going to Montreal. Harvesting time of our gourd or upo. It's Remy who will harvest that one. So that's our upo plant.
You see?
No, hold that one and cut here. It's the first time of Remy to harvest upo. Check. How long, honey? Like
18 feet.
18 inch.
Inch.
Why? Oh, here's our okra, the first fruit, and this one is already. I will just put this in the soup. Cannot boil this and eat. This one is good. I will remove that. This, our first okra, and another successful okra. Yeah, we need insect like that, bees. It's a truck for them is the bok choy flower. Now no more bok choy, so the bees already know that there's plants here need flower, need them, the cucumber in that area. So but the bugs are attacking the leaves of our eggplant and some of the beans. So I check our harvest today, August 22. Here guys, the ladybugs make some eggs there in this vegetable, the egg, better melon leaves. She's there, so I cut. I'll throw this in the brown compost. And as you can see, we have beautiful leaves for our better melon. So it's like here in this eggplant, it's very close, huh? Actually, all my eggplants have a lots of fruits. They make more fruits. Check, the beans are there. It's all mixed. So I think that's it also. A good tip for gardening. Like, you don't put pesticides. No more pesticides in this garden. And a lots of bees coming and a lots of insects who eat the leaves.